We want to take a look at how to find the distance between 2 points. So I've written down the distance formula on the right hand side just to kind of remind you of what it is that we're going to use on these points. Now it says I need x2, x1, and y2 and y1. So those are going to be my points. So I want to go ahead and label those so that I remember exactly what I'm doing and where I'm getting my numbers. And now what I want to do is I'm going to rewrite that formula, just so that I can plug in underneath of it and then we're all going to be on the same playing field. Do you need to memorize this? Sure you do. But it's really not that difficult to do it. And as many homework problems as you're going to work, not to worry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the square root. It's just kind of hanging out until we get some numbers. So I need to find x2, which is 2, x1, which is minus 1, the whole thing squared, plus y2 minus y1, the whole thing squared. So I want to simplify, and I get 2 plus 1 squared plus 3 plus 3 squared, which we can simplify again to be the square root of 3 squared plus the square root of 6 squared. Now what is 3 squared? That's going to be 9 plus 36. And I need to actually do that calculation and get the square root of 45. Now, remember we did radicals before, and we need to take out any perfect squares that are in 45. And if you want to remember, you can write down any factors as they come to you. So you could do 1 times 45, 3 times 15, 5 times 9. So as I'm looking at that, I realize, hey, this last one I just wrote, there's a perfect square in that. So that's going to be the square root of 5 times the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3, and I'm left with the square root of 5. So the distance between the 2 points we have is 3 square root of 5.